Welcome. Today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of automotive technology, more specifically, BMW's innovative active hybrid system. This cutting-edge machinery combines the best of electric power and traditional combustion engines, creating a driving experience that's not only efficient but also exhilarating. It's a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation and sustainability. So buckle up as we hit the road and explore BMW's active hybrid technology. You might be wondering, what exactly is BMW's active hybrid technology? Well, imagine you're mixing up a cocktail. Instead of gin and tonic, though, you're blending the power of an electric motor with the traditional combustion engine found in BMW vehicles. Now let's break down the ingredients of this high-tech cocktail. First, you have the electric motor. This is the secret sauce that gives the active hybrid system its kick. It assists the combustion engine during acceleration and powers the car during low-speed driving. Next, we have the battery pack. It's like the ice in our cocktail, keeping everything cool and running smoothly. It stores the electric energy and delivers it to the motor when needed. And last, but not least, we have the combustion engine. This is the familiar friend we all know and love, providing reliable power for high-speed driving and charging the battery during certain driving conditions. Now, imagine these three components working together like a well-oiled machine, or a perfectly mixed cocktail. The electric motor and the combustion engine work in tandem, with the motor providing a boost during acceleration and the engine taking over at higher speeds. The battery pack, meanwhile, ensures that there's always a reserve of electric power on tap. In essence, BMW's active hybrid system combines the best of electric and combustion engines to deliver a superior driving experience. It's like having your cake and eating it too, or in this case, sipping your cocktail and savoring every last drop. Now that we've got our heads around how it works, what are the benefits of BMW's active hybrid system? Let's dive right in. First off, we have improved fuel economy. The seamless interplay between the electric motor and the combustion engine means you'll be spending less at the pump and more time on the road. Next, we've got lower emissions. By utilizing electric power for low-speed driving and during acceleration, BMW hybrids significantly reduce their carbon footprint. But it's not all about efficiency. The active hybrid system also delivers enhanced driving performance. The electric motor provides instant torque for rapid acceleration, while the combustion engine ensures high-speed stability. In short, BMW's active hybrid system offers a ride that's smooth, responsive, and thrillingly dynamic. With BMW's active hybrid system, you don't have to choose between efficiency and performance. You can have both. So you're sold on the benefits, but how can you optimize BMW's active hybrid features in your daily driving? Think of it this way. BMW's active hybrid technology puts you, the driver, in the captain's seat, allowing you to navigate your driving experience with precision and finesse. At the heart of this control are intuitive controls and customizable driving modes. These modes include EcoPro, Comfort, and Sport, each designed to cater to a different driving preference. EcoPro, as the name suggests, is all about efficiency. It prioritizes electric power, making it ideal for those short city drives or when you're stuck in traffic. Comfort mode, on the other hand, is a balancing act. It seamlessly combines the combustion engine and electric motor for a smooth, comfortable ride. Then there's Sport mode. If you're feeling a need for speed, this is the mode for you. It unleashes the full power of the combustion engine, with the electric motor providing an extra kick during acceleration. Switching between these modes is as simple as pressing a button, giving you the power to adapt your driving experience to the road conditions, your mood, or your personal driving style. With BMW's active hybrid system, you're in control, able to tailor your driving experience to your specific needs and preferences. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into BMW's active hybrid technology. We've explored the nuts and bolts of this innovative system, the many benefits it offers, and how you can harness its full potential. This is just a taste of what the future of automotive technology holds. If you're as excited as we are about this evolution, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the latest advancements in automotive technology. Until next time, happy driving.